Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you some quick and easy hacks using the Dollar Tree wallpaper. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. I recently went to Dollar Tree and found these new wallpapers, or at least these three new ones are new. This greenery and this blue one are not new, they've been around. But look how beautiful these are. I'm going to start with this one right here, and I'm going to use this Dollar Tree box. Now I'm going to remove the lid and this little pouch that it has inside and set that to the side. Now I'm going to use the wallpaper and kind of measure. Now one thing I do recommend you is cut off maybe half an inch more than what you're supposed to. Using the wallpaper, I'm going to wrap the gift box. So this is where you should cut off a little bit more, maybe like half an inch more. So when you do this, it actually sticks on. I had a little bit of trouble trying to stick it on because mine was really short. But now to finish decorating this, I'm using some jute twine, wrapping this around several times. And just add whatever greenery you'd like to this. I'm using this box with greenery that I got from Walmart. I didn't like how these strings looked, so I do end up cutting them off, and I made a jute twine bow and adding it there instead. But look how beautiful this planter turned out. For my next hack, I'm using this beautiful greenery one. Look how beautiful this is. Now, I did have a piece left over from one time I used this, so that's what I'm going to use instead of using this whole sheet, which I'm going to use in this bamboo Dollar Tree cutting board. So using this wallpaper, I am going to cut it, but I am not going to cover the entire cutting board. I'm only doing like a little bit more than half. To blend this more, or to make it look like it's blended, I am going to use a piece of senshi and sand out all the edges. So now you have this beautiful cutting board. You can honestly add whatever you like to this. I'm using this Dollar Tree stencil and I'm adding the word farmhouse. I did try to use the Waverly Antique Wax, but it was too light, so I ended up using some black chalk paint. To finish this off, I added some jute twine and a bow, and that is it. Look how beautiful this cutting board turned out. For my next project, I'm using this one right here. Look how beautiful this is. Now, I did have this for a while already. That's why it's kind of wrinkled. And I'm using a Dollar Tree cutting board. This is the regular plastic cutting board. So now I'm going to just press it down so it can crease. And then I'm going to cut this out. So now to decorate this, I'm using some gold stickers that I had. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I used this little home sign and I added some hearts around it. Now to finish this off, I added a bow at the top, but the ribbon I had was glittery from one side and the other side was solid. And I felt like the solid looked so much better. So that's what I did. I made a bow and added at the top, but that was it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and it was so quick and easy to make. For my next project, I'm using this wallpaper, but look how beautiful this one is. This is one of the newer ones I recently found, and I'm using this Dollar Tree frame. This is going to be very easy and simple. All I did was remove the back and cut a small little piece as big as a glass, and I just put it. And for the back, I removed the stand and just added the back by itself. But that is it. You can use this either like a little decor frame, or you can use this like a little tray. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree Decor Sign. Now, Dollar Tree carries these all year round. They just have different images. This one, it had this Let Us Know one, which I did try to remove. But then I just left it like that because I am going to add some of the wallpaper. And I'm using this other one that is recently new to Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to simply just cut it to size and then just add it to the sign. To decorate this, I added this Make It Happen, and this is a transfer sheet that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it to one side, and then to finish decorating this, I'm adding a small little wreath that I had already, which I also made from Dollar Tree items. Last thing I will be doing is adding a bow, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.